No feedback rows exist yet, so the target median is unknown. I will start with Inception as a broad high-information movie guess with distinctive year, rating, genres, cast, and director. This batch accepts the cookie banner, focuses the search, selects the drop-down match, and clicks the guess button to register the guess. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2010. Rating is farther than 0.5 with a down arrow, so target rating is lower than 8.8. Genre overlaps are action and adventure, while sci-fi is not on target. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, and director Christopher Nolan show no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, released after 2010, IMDb rating below about 8.3, includes action and adventure but not sci-fi, and is not Inception or Nolan or listed cast overlap. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2010, rated lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5, and shares action and adventure but not sci-fi, with no Inception cast or Nolan overlap. I will guess Skyfall because it is a post-2010 action-adventure movie without sci-fi and a lower rating, giving useful year, rating, genre, cast, and director feedback. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2012. Rating is farther than 0.5 with a down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 7.8. Genre overlaps are action and adventure, while thriller is not on target. Actors Daniel Craig, Javier Bardem, Naomi Harris, and director Sam Mendes show no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie released after 2012, IMDb rating below about 7.3, includes action and adventure but not sci-fi or thriller, and has no overlap with Skyfall listed cast/director. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2012, rating lower than 7.3, and overlaps action and adventure while excluding sci-fi and thriller from prior guesses. I will guess Jumanji. Welcome to the Jumble because it is a 2017 action-adventure movie with a lower rating and useful comedy, cast, and director signals. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 1995. Rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, so the target rating is higher than 7.1 but close. Genre overlaps are adventure and comedy, while family is not on target. Actors Robin Williams, Kirsten Dunst, Bonnie Hunt, and director Joe Johnston show no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, newer than 2012 from earlier feedback, rated roughly 7.2 to 7.6, includes action, adventure, and comedy, and excludes sci-fi, thriller, and family. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Latest feedback says the target is newer than 1995 and rating is higher than 7.1 but close. Earlier Skyfall feedback says newer than 2012 and lower than 7.8 by more than 0.5, narrowing rating to about 7.2. Overlaps indicate action, adventure, and comedy, with sci-fi, thriller, and family excluded. I will guess The Man from UNCLE because it is a 2015 action-adventure comedy movie rated 7.2 and fits these constraints. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Visible latest feedback confirms Jumanji was a movie match. Target is newer than 1995. Rating is higher than 7.1 within 0.5, and adventure plus comedy overlap while family does not. Earlier rows add newer than 2012, lower than 7.3, action and adventure overlap, and sci-fi plus thriller do not. I'm changing selection strategy by using the alternate fragment UNCLE and enter only to commit the highlighted drop-down title before clicking the guess button. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Current constraints are movie, newer than 2012, rating around 7.2 with action, adventure, and comedy overlapping, while sci-fi, thriller, and family are not on target. I'm switching to a different distinctive query in guessing Dungeons & Dragons, Honor Among Thieves, which strongly matches those constraints. Enter is only to commit the highlighted drop-down result, followed by the required guess button click. Nice, we got it in 4 guesses. Dungeons & Dragons, Honor Among Thieves. The key trail was locking in that it was a movie, newer than 2012, rated around 7.2, and shared the action, adventure, and comedy genre combo.